So today we're going to learn on how to take apart the brake lights on the ES2. First, you want to get your tools. This really only requires a 2.5 hex screw and a 3mm hex screw. So what you want to do is get rid of this rubber insert in here. Take your 3. Take this part off. Alright, once you have that off, just lift up the grip and the piece should just pop right off. And you'll see a wire in here that connects the lights all the way up to the battery. So just disconnect that. And then you want to go down here. There's another little hole where a screw should be. Might want to make sure you have the right tool to do the job. That would be helpful. Alright, so those are the two 3mm screws, and then you gotta go up here under this grip. And there's the two 2.5mm screws. So then we just want to unscrew these two. Don't be losing screws, that doesn't help. And there you go. And it's the same thing for the other side, just all in the exact same places. And then just to put it back on, you just want to make sure all the holes match up. And then you want to screw in the two top screws first. And by the way, you don't have to take the grip tape all the way off. I just did it because it's slightly easier. And usually once I have these two screwed in, I just like to just connect these back together like so. You just want to be careful. You want to tuck this in there just in case you don't want it to snag on anything. Back there, flush. And then just screw these back in. And put that back on top. If you do this too many times, or if you just rip this off too many times, it's definitely going to lose its stick. So you might want to get double-sided tape if that starts to happen. To prevent it from not sticking, you might want to, if you take this off, you might want to lay it just so the sticky parts face up, so it doesn't get all the dust from the table or whatnot. That's the better way to do it. This is probably one of the easiest fixes that you can do on this machine. It only took a minute. It's a fairly easy process, and I believe all of you can do this if the need be. So thank you for watching us. Right on.